Welcome and greetings. I wanted to give an overview of the performance of my homemade desoldering iron. This is a Weiss PCE keyboard from 1987, this one is. It's got Cherry MX blacks in it. It's got 102 switches. This board has not been heated up. Some people do that before desoldering for easier desoldering. This board also has the original solder on the switches themselves. Some people also add solder to the joints before desoldering them to make it easier. So this is going to be what it was from the factory, 1987, with all the original solder joints. And this is going to be a speed test, more or less. I wanted to do it as a comparison to both Chinese desoldering irons and also like the Heiko 300 and 301 series. I watched a video recently on YouTube of a guy desoldering a 10 keyless keyboard. It was about 80 keys, and with the Heiko 301 he was able to do it in 12 minutes. I should be able to do a 102 key keyboard in about 8. So almost a third more keys and a third less time. That's the advantage of my iron, besides there's a lot less to go wrong with it as well, and it's cheaper than the Heiko as well. So yeah, anyway, also in the Heiko video, the guy had to clean his desoldering iron at least once during the video. I can do at least one keyboard without doing anything to the iron itself. I've done 2 keyboards without cleaning it in between. I haven't seen what the max I can do, but it's at least 209 or 102 key keyboards. So anyway, enough of the talking. I will turn the vacuum pump on and we'll start desoldering, and we'll see how quick I can get this done. Hopefully it'll be right around 8 minutes. You can hear that the pump is running. My iron has been preheated. It's heated up. And yeah, let's get down to business, I guess. So we'll start right now. And there it is, time. 102 switches done. Didn't have a timer going, but we'll take a look at the footage and see what it was. But yeah, that's 102 switches desoldered. Pretty clean. No weird stuff going on. So yeah, that was it. I'll turn off the pump and we'll empty it out, and I'll show you what that's kind of like as well. So yeah, let me do that. Okay, so now the pump is off, and what we do to empty this thing out is we just take the top of it off like that, and then I'll probably end up including some kind of tool specifically for doing this, like a piece of brass rod with like a nylon tip or something. But you just reach in here into the end of it, and you dump out your solder. And because this is stainless, the solder doesn't really stick to it. You just stick your tool in there a little bit, and there's your solder. So yeah, that's about all there is to it, guys. Figured I'd just, like I said, give a quick demo of how quick this thing is, what kind of a job it does, how simple it is to clean out, the fact that I didn't clean it the entire time I desoldered, and I'll probably still be making improvements as time goes on here as well. So anyway, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed, and we'll catch you later. Bye.